Atalo whātur po ema maro lau mai mō nei asa. O mawan nei awa noa mātou whātasi atuai nei. O le lau nei a le vaenga o ngan Samoa. Ia tūlanga o tautua. Ia mata mai lava i le au nanga wha tautua se i o lava i nei matai. Ia o le alai mawa i o le mat whātasi atuai ma le sungai a tau naola. Ia mai sa sungai a kārisi o leo o tai mua nei wha moi moi. Ia tūlanga mō lunga lava i nei atu te pu e mai leo la o le wha Samoa i le tautua se i o mai lava i na matai.
O le la langa le ia konga. Vai. Fa fianga la langa. E vai i di kau ka mo ka le konga ni.
In English, what Samoan language means to you?
Knowing who I am as a Samoan girl born in New Zealand, I think it's always best to keep that language and culture alive within our kids and our next generation, as well as ourselves.
Samoa.
Tamar, what is the importance of Samoan language to you, especially being here in New Zealand?
I think the most important part of owning a language and be able to speak a language is your own identity of who you are and how you can utilize the language as a source of communication with people of your own. And we need to develop our Samoan language in New Zealand for our New Zealand-born young people.
And just one more question. How do you feel about tonight's event? How do you think it's going? What's the vibe?
I think it's good that the initiative for tonight was mainly from the young people of this church. They see vision and they start to organize themselves and put together their ideas of what they want to become going to the future, and use the platform of the church as a way for them to organize themselves and build something that they can be proud of going forward.
Thank you, Tamar. Have a good night.
Thank you very much.
Kuidonga kong, dunga pikoinunga, os, sausa o ilalo, all the way down, ia, a makalonga foi, is, a makamelalo, o e prora e ranga ilunga, a tura pea, ia, liliu, a makakoilalo,
ia, Samoa luku atundu, se pai mafia diana ie langa tende matama olo sisi vai na pepese matata to ulele ha oma e vanelalo
ia talofa o le la u saungi atu e valu le popu. Ia o le mea mua lava, e siaski rau apa, po mama, ua vai me o mga fulu apa. Ia, ale valunga le popo, ua o kamakau. lima le kui ia lunga le fai le mua vanua fa solo le do kango le king popo fa kamilo milo ya la lo van
Sifo olo otumai ai le casino Mauna moli fa ata milo Pei o se pera mitai ai pupito
Yo le taimine yo lo o fai le papaluinga le o le talo yo le mea mua ya o mau ese me makeke na ia ta ofi ya ona tu ele rungo le kalu yo ya mau tinoa ya valu le lei o ole asi ya mai nga valu lele ya mama mata mo fie tau sami po tau mafo pa
Tala to ulele Na oma eva ni lalo oleni Na oa umasia upele Watonu matatau lei moa Wafa'ai Samoa Le teni nau le Pasifika Wafai mamita ngaya ita Fa'apea ona lawi
O la e ia o tama o ali'i po tama. O le ofutino Samoa ia ma le EFKS matangofia a ela e ina tama i te whawhiawhianga ko oni mea whai ko ele e kalentia. Malo palo a lava whawhitai.
So Samoan Language Week means is about giving us an opportunity to not revive, but to appreciate our language. I think today's event went really well. It was an opportunity for our young people to kickstart their innovation and innovative ideas, which is actually a Samoan thing, and to be innovative around how they want their culture to be displayed. So, yeah, very proud of them.